What's up, guys? So today's a big day, and we've not shared this yet on YouTube, I don't think, but we have a sawmill. So Jason and I are starting to get ready to set this thing up. We're putting down some gravel. We're going to put down some 6x6s and then set the actual sawmill on top of it. And so here in a moment we'll go up and actually take the tarp off, because we've had it for several weeks now. Just haven't had time to try to find a good spot, and unfortunately I think this is probably going to be temporary for a while, but the hope is to actually build a building for it to be under, which is going to be attached to our pole barn eventually. So anyway, we're just trying to work, and it's raining and everything else. We just need to get through the wood we've already have cut, because there's already starting to be pine beetles and stuff get in it, and so we don't want to lose all that wood. So that's what we're doing today. Come along with us. And guess what? We've never done this before, so I'm sure there'll be a lot of people on here who think that we're crazy and stupid. But you know what? We're not. We're learning. We're getting out of our comfort zone. So it's going to be a great day. This is the Woodland Mills 126.
Without the trailer.
Without the trailer. Jason wanted the trailer. We can still get the trailer. We needed it, but
It's gonna be too late now.
no, it's not. You always add it.
Nah.
All right. This is it. This is the unboxing. All right, well, we've got it down here. We've gotten the 6x6s level and ready to go. So pretty good day. We're going to come back out here tomorrow and get after it. Jason and I are going to cover it up with a tarp, and we're going to call it a day. It's only about 150 degrees out here in Alabama, so Jason works outside all day, so he's ready to go home and get in the air conditioner, take a shower. So we're gonna pick this video up again tomorrow, and you guys can just keep following along with us. All right, day 2. Jason beat me out here today, so he's already got a game plan on putting this thing together. So I'm gonna set the camera up, and I'm just gonna roll while we get to work. All right, that is the end of day 3. We only working a couple hours every afternoon, so, but still, it's taking a little longer than we probably would have hoped. We're hoping to be complete today. We're not far off, honestly. What do we got left, Jason?
We've only spent 12 hours total.
We've only had about 15 hours in this job.
Yeah.
I think we're pretty much almost done. We have to put the, I don't know what they're called, the dogs on, what they're called.
On the dogs, the hose for the lubricator.
Yeah, the hose for the lubricator, and just double check everything's level and square, and we should be good. So hopefully, maybe tomorrow.
Yep.
Maybe tomorrow we'll catch our first log. So getting closer. See you tomorrow. All right, day 46. I'm kidding. I think it's like day 4. So I think we maybe, hopefully, we'll get everything complete today, and Jason should be here in a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna get back after it. Hopefully, once everything gets assembled, we can get like a close-up of all the things. So yeah, you guys come along, follow with me. So something that I did not think of is we bought the extensions so we can cut logs 16 foot long. And so what I did is I went and bought 4 8-foot 6x6 posts, thinking that would work. Well, I actually need more than that because the actual full length of the rig is longer than 16 foot. So I think what we're gonna do, because this is temporary, I think we're gonna leave just the base, not the extension, not put the extension on yet, mill some lumber, and then put those pieces on the ground. I purchased these at Lowe's because they're pressure treated, and so that'll get us by. Cut some 6x6s to extend the full 16 foot. We're gonna mill for the house, and then we're gonna mill for the pole barn, and then once we get the pole barn material cut and all the things cut for the structure to cover the sawmill, and then we'll move it and put it in there and put some pressure treated 6x6 posts in there. So
Oh, well, we're all splitting it every time. That's weird. Oh, you're bored up there. Let's cut it. Here's the question. You took the fuel off and turn this on?
yeah, you could have choked over.
See the problem? Not bad.
Chainsaw, we'll cut it off at the end.